This one-of-a-kind offering is located in the highly desired High Rocks condominium complex, a recently converted factory overlooking the Blackstone River. The marvelous exposed brick loft-style unit features soaring two-level ceilings and a 2,500 square foot open floor plan that creates a wonderfully bright design full of modern appointments. The magnificent kitchen boasts quartz counters, high-end stainless steel appliances, and upgraded cabinetry. The open dining area is ideal for hosting meals of all sizes. Enjoy the comforts of the fireplace in the cozy family room. Completing the main level is a full bath along with an office area off of the kitchen. A wonderful master suite is located up the V-shaped staircase and features a walk-in closet and gorgeous ensuite bath with a spa shower. On the opposite side of the loft area are two additional bedrooms, including one with a private dressing room and a full bath. The High Rocks complex offers residents numerous amenities. Relax in the library down the hall, work out in the fitness room, or relax in the game room. Multiple parks are in the area, including Cold Spring Park, where you can spend the day relaxing. Taste the local fare at one of the nearby farms or restaurants. Situated on the state border, the Forge Park T Station and highway access allows you to easily commute to both Boston and Providence. For more information, please visit the property website or call Rich Epstein at area code 401-743-0021.